Davido's baby mama Chioma tests positive for coronavirus. Hello guys, welcome back to NAIJA News and Entertainment. Nigerian international act David Adeleke, also known as Davido, has taken to social media to announce that his baby mama Chioma has tested positive for coronavirus. According to reports, Chioma has a travel history to the UK where she visited London with her baby Ifeanyi. Davido disclosed that he tested negative as well as their baby. He wrote, "Hey everyone, I came back recently from America after cancelling my tour. My fiancée Chioma also came back from London recently with our baby. We had no symptoms and still both feel perfectly fine. But because of our recent travel history, we decided to take ourselves and our close associates we have come in recent contact with for the COVID-19 test on the 25th of March. Unfortunately, my fiancé results came back positive, while all 31 others tested negative, including our baby. We are, however, doing perfectly fine, and she is even still yet to show any symptoms whatsoever. She is now being quarantined, and I have also gone into full self-isolation for the minimum 14 days. I want to use this opportunity to thank you all for your endless love and prayers in advance, and to urge everyone to please stay at home please stay at home as we control the spread of the virus. Together we can beat this virus. Love, Davido." Okay guys, that's the news coming in this night. Chioma has tested positive. Please everyone, stay at home. Coronavirus is real.